So we now have a number that tells us how much the wheel should rotate, but our wheel isn't rotating because Blender doesn't know that number should be related to the wheel. So we're going to look at H, wheel rotation. We're going to right click on that, copy as new driver. Let's select our front set of wheels and let's look at the Y rotation. If you click and drag, that should make these wheels spin in the correct direction. If for some reason Y doesn't, try X or Z until you find the one that makes it rotate correctly. Once you know which rotation axis you're using, right click, paste driver. This should turn purple. If we hit play, the wheel should start turning. Now, yours are probably turning backwards. Let's pause this. If they're turning backwards, right click, edit driver. We're going to change this to a scripted expression, and we're just going to put -1 and the multiply sign, and that should multiply it so that it now turns the other way. You'll notice at the very beginning it lags a bit. I would say there's probably just some small number that it can't multiply yet, so it takes it a minute before or a second before it can multiply correctly. So this should now be turning in the correct direction. Once that's working correctly, we're just going to use this to drive all the other wheels. So I select our front wheels, right click, copy as new driver, select my next set, right click, and paste driver. We'll hit play to make sure they both start turning. So go through each set of wheels you have and paste that as your driver, and then your wheels should turn correctly.